My name's Emma Moffat. I'm a fish buyer for a company called Icelandic Sea Chill.
I'm Ben Benji. I'm a commercial fisherman, Milton North Devon.
My name is James Ritchie.
And I'm Bonnie Ritchie, I'm his wife, and we own Simpson's Fish and Chips in Cheltenham.
My name's George Hooper. I'm 19 years old and I run a fish managers in Bedfordshire.
We came out of art school and didn't really have anything to do. We got married and my mum and dad said, we're opening a fish and chip shop, would you guys want to run it?
With Bonnie's family in fish and chips for 40 years, it just felt like a natural progression for us.
When I started in the seafood industry at quite a young age, I was about 13 or 14 when I really got involved, and now I'm 19 and opening my own shop.
The fish industry is vibrant, it's growing, and there's opportunities to do almost every role that you could think of.
You need accountants for it, you need marketing, you need PR, you need design, you need everything. It's not just fish and chips, it's a huge variety.
I left school with a few GCSEs. I always wanted to be out on the sea because that's what I'd loved since I was a young lad. I started working with my dad, then I bought my own boat at the age of 13.
There are people that are on the coalface, on the boats, getting the fish out of the sea, gutting them and getting them into the harbours. But also that there's people like me who are working generally in an office.
You've got to learn about the different species of fish to start off with, that always helps, and then from there you just learn about all the different areas from catching to processing.
The seafood industry is quite niche, it's quite specialist, and as a result of that the salaries can be quite generous. You can start from the bottom on the factory floor and work your way up.
When I started when I was 15, I was on £70 a day. As your skill base progresses on, it gets better and better.
I think for young people it's just about encouraging them and letting them know that there's so many different aspects to the industry. We've watched people mature in the shop.
Yeah.
If they've come to us young and they've been there a few years, we've really seen them build up confidence
Flourish.
throughout the shop.
Yeah.
And
We need to start getting youngsters into the industry or it'll just be a dying industry. You'll often see me on my phone Snapchatting away of people shooting strings over the side. You've got to be up with social media. It will help sell your product.
My favourite fish is John Dory. It's a lovely looking fish, and I'm also partial to red snapper.
The job that I've got now and the world that I live in now is something that's totally different and something that I actually really enjoy. I never in a million years thought that me from a tiny little village in the northwest of England would be travelling the world, meeting people from all over the world and being lucky enough to do that as part of my job.
I think it is a cool place to be again. I think 15 years ago it wasn't.